If you don't understand what is covered or excluded under your homeowner's insurance policy, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to review a few questions that you can discuss with your agent, broker, or your insurance company to help you better understand your policy. First up, what are my limits of coverage for damage to my property, and are they adequate? Coverage limits are the maximum amount of insurance that will be paid by your insurance company for a covered loss. With the cost of building materials increasing and inflation rising, you should carefully review these limits. Under a homeowner's insurance policy, there are separate coverage limits for the dwelling itself, the belongings inside your home, and additional living expenses you may incur if you cannot live in your home due to damage from a covered loss. What are my liability and medical payment limits? Your policy has separate coverage limits for medical expenses and liability. For example, if someone is injured while visiting your home, will the limits be adequate to cover the medical expenses? If you aren't sure, make sure you discuss this with an insurance professional. Next up, what is my deductible? The amount you are responsible for paying out of pocket when you file a claim for a covered loss. Does my policy have more than one deductible? Many policies have different deductibles for different types of losses, such as a fixed dollar amount for fires and thefts and a percentage deductible for damage caused by hurricanes or other storms. It's important to know which your deductibles are so that you aren't caught off guard if you need to file a claim. Does your policy pay replacement cost or actual cash value for damaged property in the event of a loss? If your policy offers replacement cost, it will cover the cost to replace the damaged property up to the policy's limit. There will not be any deductions for depreciation. If you have an actual cash value policy, it will cover the cost to replace your damaged property up to the limit of the insurance policy minus the depreciation cost for age and use. For example, if you have an older roof that was destroyed in a storm and you carry an actual cash value policy, your insurer may pay you less than the cost to replace the roof because of deductions for depreciation. Check with your insurance professional to learn the specifics of your policy and make any changes to it as needed. Does my policy provide coverage for earthquakes or flooding? Homeowners policies generally do not cover flood damage. However, you can purchase a separate flood insurance policy. Most homeowners insurance policies generally do not provide any type of coverage for damage caused by an earthquake or any type of earth movement, including mudslides. Talk to your insurance professional to determine what, if any, coverage your homeowner's policy provides, under what circumstances coverage is provided, and whether you need to purchase additional coverage. I hope those questions helped you. The Maryland Insurance Administration also has a helpful document to help you better understand the declarations page of your homeowner's insurance policy. Remember to review the declarations page with your insurance professional every year. You can learn more about this and other insurance topics by visiting our website, insurance.maryland.gov, or by calling us at 1-800-492-6116. Thank you for watching, and reach out to us if you have questions.